Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back. And today I have an official unboxing. I make videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I'm literally in my casuals. I wasn't expecting this bag to come. It seems like it's taking forever. This is a bag that I pre-ordered. I ordered this bag, beginning of December. When I first saw that it was being released, I was very excited to add it to my collection. It didn't get released till the 31st, and I had to wait. So finally, Sam and I are actually getting the same bag, and I was like, did you get your bag yet? She's like, no, I haven't got my bag yet. And then she had literally just told me this morning that she got word that her bag had shipped from the warehouse and was being sent to the store to where essay is, because my essay is her essay because she shared her with me. So I was like, okay, I'll just wait, most likely because we ordered them around the same time. And then today I got a package, and it was like one of those things, like, what did I order? Because I wasn't expecting, I didn't get that this had shipped. However, I did get just a confirmation email, which I already knew, like, because I had pre-ordered it with a copy of my receipt for this particular item. So I didn't get any tracking information, but also my essay was on vacation, so maybe that's why I didn't get it and somebody else sent it out. But I just can't wait to open this. I thought I'd do a proper unboxing because it's very rare. I haven't been ordering a lot, as you could tell. I have such a well-rounded collection. There's not a ton of things I need, but this is something I needed. And especially because the price of bags are getting crazy, so I had to pay retail for this. And this is definitely a bag that you will have to wait for, pre-order kind of things. You need to have an essay because, gosh, it's like February and I'm just now getting this bag. Okay, guys, let's open it. Here we go. And this is a bag that retails under $2,000. I think this one cost me just right around $1,900. Here it is, and it's already poking out. They put it in the tiniest dust bag. So here is all the stuff that comes with it. Now, this is my thing about Louis Vuitton packaging. Like, now you can see what the bag is. We could use some bubble wrap. Could we may have like make sure the dust bag actually fit the bag? Seriously, Louis. All right, taking it out of the box. But yeah, see, let's put it in proper. I mean, it probably was in the bag proper, but that's just something about Louis Vuitton that drives me bonkers, is there's never any protection for the bags. But let's see, it looks good. And here it is. So this is the Louis Vuitton Nano, and this is the Nano in, I think they call it the Jacquard Denim. And I've always thought about getting the Nano Speedy to complete my Nano collection because I have the Nano bag, I have the Petite Sac Plaque, I have the Nice. So I always thought about getting this, but the thing that I didn't like about it, which stopped me from getting it, was the fact that the strap didn't detach and it wasn't adjustable, and I thought that I would appreciate that more. So when I saw this one come out in the denim and the pink, this just screamed Jess to me. Like, doesn't it scream it to you? However, this bag retails for $1,760. So this bag was a little over $1,800 for me, shipped and everything. Now let's open up the zip. And as you can see, the strap detaches. And again, the new ones do not have the date code. So there's gonna be a chip somewhere in the bag. I wish I knew where it was, because I'd love to know like the dates of the bags, like when it was made. Was it just made this month? How does that work? So look at this strap here, how it is different. I love that it's adjustable. There's so many different things. Let's see, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I believe I can adjust this. Like, this is at the smallest setting right here. So I could adjust this really long. So this is perfect. So this is the reason when I saw this, I was like, you get an adjustable strap. I also think that this would be really cute to use my strap that I have for my utility pouch with this. Like, I just had so many visions for this bag. I just think it's so cute. And I know it's gonna fit a lot of things because I know that Sam from Bargain Honey Blonde has the nano size in this bag, and it fits a lot more than you would think. This is gonna be similar to my Nano Away bag, where it fits all the necessities and more. Let's get her all fixed up here. Okay, that clips in so nicely. And something I'm realizing like right off the bat of having this particular bag is I like that the denim seems pretty durable. I had the denim patchwork bag in the Palm Springs backpack. Did not care for that. It was more like a satin material. It didn't have the denim feel to it, so I was so afraid that I was gonna snag it to take it anywhere, and plus it was a backpack. It was gonna be worn on my back. Of course it's gonna bump into things. This is a lot more durable. I really love this with this Vachetta leather. I just think that looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this pink. I love the white. Only thing with this bag is I just wish that it had like a mini lock with it, or something like a mini lock thing that you could like have that to go with it. I don't know. I just feel like it would be cute if they made this look a mini Speedy. However, I'm really loving the strap, how it is adjustable, especially because I am shorter and I know taller girls too. You have so many options with this. Let me get you the dimensions. So the length of this bag is 6.3 inches. Your height is 3.9 inches and your depth is 3 inches. And this is like a similar Speedy where it like opens up. Like you'll be able to move this. This is pliable. It's gonna open up and you're gonna be able to fit a lot more things than you think you could fit in the bag. See what is in here. So this is just my receipt. So I'll have the exact amounts that I paid. What does it say? I guess I didn't pay tax on this, but it says I paid $1,760, so it doesn't show any tax on here. The only thing that's weird about this is I don't have any of the loose tags. Like there's no loose tags in here. And normally every time I get a Louis Vuitton, there are like the loose tags with the SKU numbers and stuff like that. That didn't come with any of those. I'm not noticing anything wrong with it. I'm like, you know, concerned Louis Vuitton quality issues, because I know that it goes straight to the store and the store checks it out before they send it to me. So it wasn't like it came right from the warehouse, because anytime I've seen some problems with Louis Vuitton, most of the time it's when I purchase it right from the warehouse, because it's not like your SA is looking it over. So there's nothing on here that screams that there's anything wrong with it. Let's try it on. It's on the shortest setting right now, so I can adjust it. So like crossbody, it's a little high up. So I'll probably adjust this, make this a little bit longer so I can do crossbody. But I really love it like this. This is the strap that I have with my utility. Oh yeah, that's gonna look so nice with that right there. Okay, let's put some things in this cute little bag. I'm so excited to wear this for spring. Like I just think it's super cute. Super gorgeous. Only thing is, with opening this, I'm glad I got this on camera, is the fact that it wasn't wrapped very well. It didn't come with any of the little tags and things that normally come with it that tell you like the SKU numbers and all that stuff. None of that was in there, so that was just weird to me because that's never happened to me. Like usually it's in the box or it's in the bag, because there's no pockets or anything in this bag. It's just completely open, but that interior looks so cute. Doesn't that interior look so cute? Like, I love this bag. This bag isn't being returned. I'm just saying, like, where's that I normally get? Maybe they're not sending it anymore and I just don't realize it. Okay, let's put some things in this bag. This is what I'm currently rocking right now. Okay, let's get some necessities. Let's see. I have my midi pochette, my catch-all. This, I feel like this is the same length as this, so I don't feel like this is going to fit in here. No, the mini pochette does not fit, so let's abandon that one. My Chanel, and then since I didn't fit, I have my clay, so I would put my hand sanitizer, everything in there. That fits in there perfectly. My keys, a key fob over here to the side. Okay, and this is all I have in it right now. I'm pretty sure I could fit my phone in here. I film on my phone. My phone will definitely fit in here, but this is what I have in here. I have my Chanel zip. I have my key clay. I have just my key holder, and then I have just loosed in here my key fob here on the side. There is room like on top. Definitely fits, super light and super cute. Like this is so freaking adorable. I just love this. Now, what don't I love? The price. Like a bag like this is almost $2,000, guys. Louis Vuitton has lost their mind. So that's another reason why I haven't had many unboxings and different things, is I just can't bring myself to pay these prices. And as you've seen from the secondhand markets, the prices there have gone crazy. They've gone absolutely nuts. People are just charging way too much money for things, and I just refuse to pay those prices. Plus, I have an amazing collection as is, so I don't really need to invest in any other pieces, but I really love this. I think it's super cute. I've never gotten something like this before, like the limited edition type spring prints, because I don't think this is something that's going to be around for a while, but I just think they really improved the Nano. I don't have the regular Nano, but I do love this. Now, do I think it's worth the amount it is? No. You can definitely fit a good amount in here. Super cute, but again, this is a bag that I wouldn't wear all year round. I see this as a spring and summer bag, but I have a feeling I'm gonna wear this a lot in spring and summer. And I do think that as it starts to like patina, this will look really nice. Things I'm disappointed about are just how it was packaged. It was kind of loose in there. It didn't come with like any of the receipts or, you know, any of the little tags that normally come with it. I didn't get any samples or anything either, which a lot of times I do get. My essay was on vacation. What was weird is it smelled like perfume. Like the box, when I was first opening it up, it had kind of like a strong perfume scent. I'm like, oh, they must have sent me perfume samples. Then I opened up and there wasn't any perfume samples in there. And I do love when they add that little extra bit. But again, my essay was on vacation, so most likely she just wanted to make sure it got to me because I had been waiting for so long. So I do appreciate it just being sent out as soon as possible. But I really think this is adorable and cute. And I'm so excited to have it added in my collection. What do you guys think? Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know if there's something from LV you want to be adding to your collection. Are you feeling a little burned out from these prices? Even if you can afford stuff, you just feel like you shouldn't have to pay that kind of price for what it is. Have you guys gotten something from LV that didn't have the little tags with the SKU codes and all that stuff on there? This is the first time I bought something new and it didn't have it in there. Have you been getting samples when you order stuff? Like, I don't really go in store, but a lot of the times, like, I'll get some samples. And this time I didn't have any. Is that, something you guys get? I'm just very curious to see if you've experienced like little dust bags like this and your stuff just being flopped around. Does that drive you nuts too? Because yeah, it's in a box, but it's getting smacked around because it's on the UPS truck and they're not as easy on their stuff. Like the box came to me. Let me show you the box. Like dented on one side. So like just some added padding would have just made it so much better. So that's always been my complaint about Louis Vuitton is I just wish they would just package them a little bit better so I don't have like a panic attack when I see the box that's all dented and broken. I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.